Hi everyone, we're going to find the area of the region bounded by the given curves. Y is greater than or equal to x, and x squared minus x times y minus x times y squared plus y cubed is less than or equal to 0. So before we get started, let's factor this and see what we have for our zeros. So this is going to be factored by grouping. So for these first two terms, I'm going to factor out an x, and I'm going to get x minus y. And for these two terms, we'll factor out a negative y squared. And that's going to give me x minus y. And then we still have less than or equal to 0. Then when you group this together, you can write this as x minus y times x minus y squared is less than or equal to 0. Now, since we have y is greater than or equal to x, that means my x minus y is less than or equal to 0, and therefore my x minus y squared is going to be greater than or equal to 0. Or you could say y squared is less than or equal to x if you solve for y squared. Let's look at what we have, just a little sketch. So for y equals, we're just going to look at y equals x. That would be this line here. And then for y squared is less than or equal to x. That's going to be a parabola that opens to the right, and these are gonna connect at 1. So this is 1, 1. So this opens to the right like this, and then it's going to go down like this. So the bounded region is going to be this area right in here, because this is y squared is less than x, and then y, and this one is y is greater than or equal to x. So this is your area there. Now this is 0 to 1. It's a 1. So we're going to do the shaded region as the integral from 0 to 1. And here's your 1 right here. And what we're going to do is, since this is y squared, we're going to differentiate with respect to y. So we're going to do x dy, and that would be the integral from 0 to 1 of, since we're looking at the y, we're looking at from right to left. So when you're looking at the right, so we're looking at our y, so we're doing the y, from right to left, the first one that you come up with is this line, right? So this is going right and then to left. So that's just going to be your y line. And then you subtract this one, the one that comes next. This is bounded by this. This is your left portion of the shaded region. So that's going to be y minus y squared dy. So when you integrate this, you're going to get, let's do that, 1/2 y squared minus 1/3 y cubed, and we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. Again, we're looking at the y. So substituting in 1, you're going to get 1/2 minus 1/3, and then when you substitute in the 0, you just get 0. This equals 1 divided by 6. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.